This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Josh McGrath. This 3-story home boasts over 4,685 square feet of living space. With a stunningly updated kitchen featuring granite, stainless and more. The huge owner's suite is its own retreat with enormous shower, skylights, expansive windows, updated vanity and in-suite laundry and a walk-in closet. Lower level has multiple living spaces, full bar per second kitchen and more. This home has all the rooms you need. Come see it before it is too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh McGrath at 304-201-7653.